Part 2, pose 3, seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, reaching for your toes. Keep your knees slightly bent if necessary. Hold for 5 breaths, feeling the release of tension in your neck and shoulders. Pose 4, Sphinx pose. Lie on your stomach with your forearms on the ground. Lift your chest and head off the mat, keeping your shoulders down. Hold for 5 breaths, feeling the opening in your chest and shoulders. Pose 5, cat cow pose. Move into your hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back, lifting your tailbone and head towards the ceiling. Exhale, round your back, tucking your chin to your chest and your tailbone towards the ground. Repeat for 5 rounds, feeling the release of tension in your spine. Wait for part 3.